How's it going? I'm Jared Gillis. Welcome to another All About RVs. If you've been watching any of our videos in the past, you've probably seen a lot of videos about practical parts of RVing, whether that's reviews, or tutorials, DIY kind of projects around the RV. I really have a passion for making videos about RVing that help other RVers out there. And if you've seen all of our videos, I'm sure you've seen some of our motivation to RV videos, and those really have more to do with my enjoyment and my heart for why we love to RV. And it's really the heart behind why we want other people to be able to get out there and RV is because we enjoy it and love it so much. But today I kind of wanted to share the flip side of that coin, kind of the bad side of RVing. I guess you could say it's the bad news of RVing. So I'm going to be really honest with you. Not everything with RVing is amazing and excellent. When you take a closer look at it, it can almost look a little bit like a comedy of errors. We might go looking for the ideal trip, but what we find is often when things break, repairs need to be made. We find parts of our RV that are less than ideal. At times we have to change plans or routes when you least expect it.
The other option would be to go up past one, which is right here.
That warm, perfect weather you were looking for did not turn out. Sometimes a storm can leave you feeling vulnerable. Even if it's not raining, the mud and the sand can be a problem. The truth is, sometimes vehicles break down. We all have tasks that we would rather not do. And the maintenance never seems to stop. Extreme temperatures can feel like a battle to maintain in the RV. RVing definitely comes with its challenges. But out of all the problems and issues we have to work through, there is nothing I would rather be doing than spending time with my family around the RV. Looking for that new trail to go down, to see a sight we have never seen before. Find that experience we never knew we would get to have. The memories we didn't plan on. The roads by chance we didn't know we would pick but will never be able to forget. The joy and the laughter that found its way in wherever we happen to go. RVing is one of the best ways we have found to spend time and live life. It helps you be present in each day you are out there and not let the time slip by. Even when the weather has turned bad or there's problems to work through, when we look back, those are some of the things that make the memories even better. They almost become the highlights. And there are still amazing things to see you may have never noticed. So if you were to ask me if RVing has its challenges, there's no denying that it does. So I look forward and I'm hopeful for what's in store for us. Here's to the next and upcoming season of RVing, whatever it may hold. Well, that's going to do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different than the normal. The video that I was planning will be coming out later. I need to do a little bit more work on it. But this week, it just, with everything that kind of fell apart, I just wanted to focus on the good and the bad of RVing and how that all kind of comes together to make such a great trip and great thing of RVing. So anyways, like I said, that's going to do it for today. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about RVing, hit that subscribe button because we always got more stuff coming out. And if we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you next video.